Okay, today's video, I'm going to show you and let you hear what an exhaust leak sounds like. It's not just loud. It can be coming from the front of the car, the middle of the car, the back of the car. It's the exhaust system, but it also has O2 sensors that are hooked up to it that will give you an engine code for emissions. So it's not just if your engine is going to sound like this, you have to get it fixed immediately or you're going to fail inspection. Okay, that squeaking that you heard, that's the belt. I have a video on that of why belts squeak. You should check that video out too. But you hear how loud it is? We got a hole in the exhaust somewhere. It could be in the front. All right, the whole exhaust system goes all the way to the back of the car. Basically, you can hear it in the engine compartment. If you come around the side, you can go underneath and listen. Pretty much where you can hear it from. And then the tailpipe that's underneath the car over here, that can leak too. Now, I don't hear the noise over here. I hear it all only in front, so it's probably the flex pipe. I have a video on that, how to replace the flex pipe. Okay, we have the car lifted up. Now, the converter is over here. And you see the O2 sensors I'm talking about? There's one here and one up there. Usually they're, usually the converter, all different cars are different, but converters over there. So on this one, if there's an exhaust leak, if there's an exhaust leak past this, you won't get an engine code because it's already monitoring it from here. This is the downstream. So anything after this, you know, the car doesn't monitor. So, but most cars, you got the catalytic converters over here. And if the flex pipe is leaking, which this is a flex pipe, it'll give you a code. Anyhow, it's against the law to have a loud exhaust like that leaking. All right. So this is the flex pipe and it's cracked here and it's cracked in the back over here. And there's a big hole. So I have a video on how to replace this. You could just cut it. All right. Put the new one in. You could either weld it in or if you guys, you could put a clamp on both sides and you're good to go. Watch that video, check it out. So anyhow, then we go back, okay? And this is like a resonator, okay? Then you keep going back and you check. With the engine on, you'll feel and hear exhaust leaks. A lot of times where the bracket here, where the exhaust hangs up from, they love to crack here. Then you look all the way around. It's good to have like a little inspection light. You can put it on the top like this, and you can look around the whole thing. And then here's the muffler. Everything looks good over here. So it was the exhaust, like I said, the flex pipe, and swing it, make sure it's not banging against anything. Okay. And that's basically it. All right. And another telltale sign, if you're leaking with the exhaust or with the car running, you'll see water dripping, like in the middle of a flange or something like that. If water's dripping, that means that if water can drip, noise can come out, air can come out. All right. You want to check that out. Okay, and that's it. Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.